the 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This is a pickup truck with an automatic transmission. This rear-wheel drive pickup truck, with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Chevrolet features dual front airbags, a CD player, and tilt wheel. Safety features include traction control, OnStar, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, power door locks, and keyless entry. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.